Namaskaram, this is Seshadri, HRIR Safety Consultant, Corporate Trainer, Pension, Higher Pension. How to calculate? Everybody knows formula. What are all the exact data required? How to calculate exactly what will be the pension amount? That also, now higher pension, how to calculate, we must know. Because this EPS scheme was introduced from 16th November 1995. Before that, the period that was family pension scheme. How to calculate that period family pension scheme? EPS, employee pension scheme, introduced from 1995. That also 1419/2014 there was a amendment and statutory ceiling was raised to 15,000. While calculating pension, before 1st September 2014 separate we have to calculate, as well as after 1st September 2014 we have to calculate separately. We have to add everything, then only final what will be the pension amount for the employee we can find out. So many confusions. How to calculate exactly? So every employee, every HR fraternity must know how to calculate exactly the pension. In this video, we will understand how to calculate with one example so that mostly our doubts will be clarified. Let us understand now. EPS scheme 1995, para 12 defines how the pension, monthly members pension should be calculated. Superannuation pension, if he has rendered eligible service of 10 years or more and retires on attaining the age of 58, that time only is eligible for pension. How to calculate? Member monthly pension equal to pensionable salary into pensionable service divided by 70. So there is a one data pensionable salary, another data pensionable service. We must know divided by 70. In addition to that, before 1st September 2014 and after 1st September 2014, we need to calculate on pro rata basis. That also defined in para 12 of EPS scheme. That means pensionable salary into pensionable service divided by 70 is the formula for calculation of monthly pension. When the higher pension comes, in the circular they have given another data. While calculating pro rata basis, you have to compare two wages to decide pensionable salary. What two wages? Average wage versus highest wage. You compare which one is less, that you take as a pensionable salary. Then again more confusion. So we must understand. We'll take one example. Mr. Ramesh, he joined on 1st January 1990, retired on 31st December 2017. The salary part, before 1st September 2014, in that period, his highest salary was 10,000 rupees. We are taking as an example. Highest salary means PF wage. For 10,000, they would have paid PF. That is the highest salary. For the period after 1st September 2014, the highest salary was 60,000. These are all we are taking as an example. We are calculating the average salary. How to calculate average salary? Last 60 months salary. You have to add all the last 6 months, 60 months salary divided by 60 equal to average monthly salary. Average salary. So we have to take from 1st January 2012 to 31st December 2017. All the salaries you add divided by 70, that is the average salary. Last 5 years average salary is 55,000. These are all we are taking from the data. We are assuming this is the data given to us. Now we have to calculate pensionable service. How to calculate? Because this scheme was introduced on 16th November 1995. Before the period it was family pension scheme. So keep that period separate from his joining, that is 1st January 1990 to 15th November 1995. One period that is less than 6 years for calculation, we keep it aside. From 16th November 1995 to 31st August 2014, we have to convert that year into days. 6,865 days. Any NCP days was there, that we have to minus it. We have to subtract. We have to reduce that NCP days. When the employee render service of 20 or more year, there will be a 2 years weightage. 2 years weightage EPS scheme is giving. So you have to add 2 years extra. Total days from 16/11/1995 to 31st August 2014 is 6,865 days. You add 2 years, that is 730 days. If you add 7,595 days for the period 16/11/1995 to 31st August 2014. So after 1st September 2014, the period is days 1,218 days you worked. Any NCP days was there, that we have to minus it. So now pensionable service is ready. Before 1st September 2014, 7,595 days. After 1st September 2014, 1,218 days. Now we have to calculate pensionable salary. How to calculate? So we have to take already given. A is a pensionable service. We already know 7,595 days. We already calculated. B is the highest salary. It is given in the example itself, 10,000 rupees. Average salary, that also given in the example, 55,000. Compare B and C, that is highest salary and average salary. Whichever is less, out of 10,000 and 55,000, 10,000 is less. Take 10,000 as a pensionable salary for the period prior to 1/9/2014. This pensionable salary for prior 1/9/2014 is ready, that is 10,000. Post 1/9/2014, compare L and M, that is highest salary post 1/9/2014 is 60,000. M, average salary is 55,000. Compare L and M, that is 60,000 versus 55,000. Which one is less? 55,000 is less. Take as a pensionable salary post 1/9/2014, that is 55,000. Now pensionable service ready, pensionable salary, that also we have. Now we can calculate for the pension. How much pension you will get? That is pensionable salary into pensionable service. So prior 1/9/2014, pensionable days of service, how many days? 7,595 days into pensionable salary, that was 10,000. Then post 1/9/2014, 1,218 days into pensionable salary, that is 55,000, divided by 70 is the factor into 365. So if we multiply these things, we will get 5,594.521. This is the higher pension. That's why we are taking this pensionable salary. Then higher pension in this example, how much you will get? 5,594 rupees you will get. We have to add the salary as the pension prior to 16/11/1995. For that, how we have to calculate? That also given in the para 12. How to calculate prior to 16/11/1995 services, that is family pension. We have to check whether the employee was getting 2,500 per month or more than 2,500. That is one factor. How many years of service? In our example, he was service was less than 6 years prior to 1995. So up to 11 years of service, if salary is less than 2,500, 80 rupees pension. Then if it is more than 2,500, 85 rupees up to 11 years. 11 to 15 years given 95 and 105. 15 to 20 years 120 and 135. More than 20 years 150 and 170. This is the pensionable amount given. Multiply. We have to multiply this with the factor which is given in the scheme table B. In the table B, each year what is the factor we have to multiply with that amount specified in the para 12. For our example, less than 6 years, the factor is 1.526. We have to multiply that amount whatever given in the para 12 into the factor in which is given in the table B. So we are multiplying 80 rupees into 1.526 equal to 122.08. So prior to 16/11/1995, the pensionable amount for him is 122 rupees 0.08. We have to add both the pension. Higher pension, how much it has come from 16/11/1995 to retirement? 5,594.52 plus this 122.08. If we add total pension, he will get 5,716.601. Same 5,717. This is the higher pension you will get for 1995. Prior to 1995 one calculation, after 1995 also separate calculation, pro rata basis we have to calculate in the same manner. Then we can derive what will be the pensionable amount of that particular person. This is for higher pension. Then normal pension, how to calculate? In normal pension, we have to take in pensionable salary statutory ceiling. That is, we need not to take 10,000 or 55,000. We need not to compare. 6,500 is the highest wage, pensionable wage during that period in normal pension. And then 15,000 is the highest wage during the post 1/9/2014 period. If you take these days, same days, whatever you calculated days will not change. 7,595 into 6,500 plus 1,218 days into 15,000 divided by 70 into 365. If you do 2,647.26 per month, he will get as a pension in EPS scheme. So we have to add FPF scheme also. That is, already we have calculated 122.08. If you add total pension in normal pension, he will get 2,769.34. Say 2,769 rupees he will get as a monthly normal pension. If you go for higher pension, you will get 5,717. Normal pension 2,769 rupees. So we have to calculate both the things. In our example, we have taken and calculated. In this, any doubt, anything you want more detail, you can call us, you can WhatsApp us, so that it will be easy for us also to reply you when we are in work. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Please take this video to all the HR fraternity and employees. Let them also understand how to calculate their pension. We will get back with another good topic. Thank you.